Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. Meditations, explorations, no expectations. Today is Friday. It's the day of the Idealist. It's my spiritual day. Happy spiritual day to all of you other Raja Yogi idealists out there, but you may have the idealist somewhere else. Well, happy whatever day to you. Relationship day, career day, idealist emotions, oh boy. Yeah. The idealist is all about positivity. And I'll tell you, I woke up this morning thinking about Anthony Bourdain, because this meme has been going around, with him saying, have a Negroni, have 2 Negronis, check in with your friends, check in with yourself, have the cream sauce, enjoy the ride. Yeah, I remember that I was not surprised when I found out that he and I have the same exact blueprint. I only checked that out when he died, but I had always felt, connected to him. I always watched his shows, and but I realized that, well, let's look at positivity. So we both have the same spiritual path. Raja Yoga, the kingly yoga, the path of positivity, of idealism. It's challenged for both of us, which means not always being positive. It means a lot of times focusing on the negative, and I sure have done that a lot, and at times continue to. And so did he. It's kind of where sarcasm comes from a lot. So remaining positive is something that I really work on every day, because it's pretty much the only thing that keeps me together, to have a positive outlook. And also, the idealist is about beauty. So I know he and I are also attracted to beautiful things for all of the senses. And it's very easy for a Raja Yogi to get caught up in the idea of ideal love. And then when things go wrong, it's difficult. Very difficult. I myself have been pretty low with certain breakups, love relationships, and certainly got to the point of considering not being here anymore. And I think this is at least partly what happened with Mr. Bourdain. And I get it. Really difficult. Raja Yogis, idealists, they just want beauty, love, ideal love. They want a love that lasts forever. And of course, they want them to be perfect too. And nobody's perfect. But yeah, I get it. I don't know what stopped me. And why I'm still here. Because I have those same tendencies that he had, having the same blueprint. Now, we don't have the same conditioning. That's a different story. And conditioning can make up a large part of someone's life. It can color our blueprint. It can, a lot of times, take us out of our blueprint, take us away from who we are really meant to be. So our upbringing, the media, the world in general, friends, family, what they tell us about ourselves. It all colors our blueprint, who we are. So I don't know much about his conditioning. I do know in the creative play area, which is the area of addictions, we both have the rebel personality, the rebel. And that is addictions to poisons, poisonous substances. In his case, drugs, poison drugs, heroin, but alcohol too, a major poison. Why do you vomit if you drink too much? Your body says, hey, drink any more and this is going to kill you. But alcohol is kind of okay in this society, right? For the most part. Unless you run somebody over when you're drunk. No, then it's not okay. But the liquor stores being essential businesses during the pandemic and allowed to remain open, says a lot about this culture, about this country. Oh my God, if they closed the liquor stores, there would probably be pandemonium. And I spent a very large portion of my life in a bottle. So I get it. I get the glamorization of alcohol. I don't like it anymore though. I used to like it. I used to glamorize it myself. It's not punk though. At least not anymore. So yeah, we both had crazy, addictive qualities. Crazy. The rebel is crazy. It's a crazy personality. It made me do crazy things. Like really crazy things. I'm not going to go into it. Well, this is all starting to sound very negative now. So I'll try to be positive. Look on the bright side. I'm still here. Unfortunately, he's not still here. Left a daughter. Positivity I get all out of any of that is that I know that we all have our paths and our destinies, and that is how Mr. Bourdain's life was meant to end, apparently. And I've yet to see how mine is yet to end. Okay, well, it is Friday. So let's stay positive. Be positive. Think positive. That was the name of a record I did one time. Think positive. Not even correct grammar, I don't think. Think positively would have been the way. And that's not even positive. Oh boy. Okay then, see you tomorrow.